Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be sharing an amazing tool that will help you in boosting your Etsy sales and analyze your Etsy's performance. So if you want to learn all about growing your Etsy business in 2020, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos to help you build an impactful Etsy business. So don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and talk about this tool that I want to talk to you guys about. So the tool is called Pricewood, and you could go to pricewood.com to get more information. Now, this tool is great for Etsy sellers because it helps you optimize your listings. It helps you find and engage with customers that like your products, and it helps you generate more sales, which is the ultimate goal for all of us as Etsy sellers. Now, another great thing about this tool is Etsy Approve. So anytime that you're using any third-party tool to help you with your Etsy business, make sure there's Etsy Approve. That way you don't get in trouble, or you don't use like a third-party tool that they just stealing information or it really doesn't work. So just keep that in mind. You always want to make sure there's Etsy Approve before you use that third-party app. So that's another great thing about it. Currently, at the moment, they have over 40,000 Etsy sellers that are actually using the tool. So that's really, really huge amount of people. And many of the tools that they have, but the main features are you're able to see price suggestions for your listings. You're able to track and generate tags for your products. That's a big one because many Etsy sellers, the number one complaint is SEO, not finding tags that drive some traffic. So being able to find, top tags for your products is really, really great by using this tool. You're able to track, you're able to engage with your customers. So it has a lot of nice features. And these are some of the tools right here that it comes with in order to help you grow your Etsy business and scale it to the next level. So you're able to find, or you're able to do super targeted Facebook ad campaigns, which is really, really cool because what that means is that you're showing your products and services to people that are interested in buying versus you showing your products and services to everyone, wasting money and not making a sale. So that's really, really nice. You're able to discover correct pricing. So they analyze over so many listings on Etsy. So they're able to tell you approximately what is the price range for whatever you sell. So that's really, really cool. You're able to track shop data and get suggestions. So analytics is really important. I always tell people if you want to grow your business, the first thing you need to know is what are you doing well in your store? What are your top products? What are your bottom products? And when you understand your store, the more you know about it, the faster you could grow and scale your business to the next level. So having that in there is really important. Track your top tags and materials. So it's going to help you understand what kind of products and tags are doing better on your store so you could focus on the right areas while developing new products. And a trick about this also is if you start noticing, okay, these are my top contenders, these are the type of items that sell the most on my shop, what you could do is make a robust line out of those products and create more products. A lot of times the biggest mistakes we make as Etsy sellers is that we just start putting everything and anything in the store without having strategy. So we think the more items we put, the more sales we get. But sometimes it's the opposite. Sometimes it's better to look back, look at your analytics, figure out what are my top selling items and create more items alike. That way you can increase your revenue at a quicker pace because you already have proven that people love those products and they're actually buying from you. So why make other products that you don't know, right? If it's going to sell or not sell, and then you're wasting time in the growth of your store. So this is a really nice one here. You're able to get a tag generator for Etsy. So this is basically almost like a keyword research. You're able to put in a seed keyword and it's going to pull out more tags that you could use for your product listings, which is really, really nice. And you're able to track your top customers. So this is really cool because this is more of remarketing to people that already showed an interest in your products and services. So that's really, really cool, especially when it comes to Facebook ads, retargeting people that already showed interest. Those type of ads actually make more money, or will make you more money, because you're showing it to people that are actually interested in what you sell. So this is really neat as well. Now keep in mind, you can use Pricewood for free to discover like prices for the first 15 products, to generate tags for like five, I think it's 5 times that you could generate tags, to track basic shop data and then it lets you do top 5 tags and materials as well. However, if you decide that you want to use or have access to all the features, then you will need to go ahead and upgrade. Now, I do recommend at least trying it out. I mean, you could sign up for free. You don't have to pay anything. Playing with it, seeing you like it, and then kind of going from there and deciding if you want to go ahead and upgrade so you could have all the features and use it unlimited. But this is a really, really great tool. A lot of people that are using it currently right now, my clients, they have told me they love it. So therefore, I wanted to recommend something that I have good experience with and that I know other people have good experience with as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching.